Good morning, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going to a yoga class in the park. It's going to be my first time ever going, but I'm really excited. So let's go get ready and see how it goes.
The bird.
See.
Yeah.
Bye amigos. A ver cómo la hace Coco. Muy bien. Okay, I'm running late, so I'm just gonna do two little braids right here so that my hair is not in the way. But I just straightened it a little bit, and I'm not gonna do my makeup or anything. And then I'm gonna change, go get my mat, drop off Moy, and go. So I don't want to be late. Bye. Alright, so I changed. This is my outfit. I have just a tank top, some leggings, and this little sweater. I think it's pretty cold outside, but yeah. And I'm gonna be wearing socks and my chanclas. Okay, we're about to head out, so I'm gonna drop off Moy first. And then I just put a jacket on over my outfit because it's pretty cold outside. So it is 9:45. It starts at 10. So I'm gonna go already and see what it's like. Just dropped off Moy. He's already riding the scooter. Okay, this is what it looks like. I see them over there. They're like sitting down over there. Right there. Okay, so that was it. I recorded pretty bad. Like we started pretty fast too, so I wasn't able to fix the camera, or I didn't know like where to angle it, or what we were gonna be doing. But yeah, so for the first half we did like standing positions, and then for the second half we did laying positions, and then at the end we did like a deep meditation. And it was really cool. It was really fun. It was kind of hard doing the poses on my left side, if that makes sense, because my left leg is like weaker than my right leg. So those ones were a little bit, they had me struggling. And then I feel like I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. So yeah, it was definitely a workout, and it was also definitely fun. The scenery, like, it's a really nice park here. It's at Rogers Park in Forest Grove. But yeah, so it was just under all of the trees. It was really pretty. And it was, I thought it was gonna be cold. It was cold towards the end, but in the beginning it was warm because we were doing like the standing poses, and it was more, you know, of a workout. And then towards the end, when we started doing the deep meditation, obviously it got cold because we were just laying there. and yeah, so I ended up putting my sweater back on, my jacket. But just laying down and looking up at the sky, like in the middle of all the trees, that part was like so relaxing, like just in general. And I like taking naps at parks, so maybe that's why. But no, like if you don't do yoga or if you don't do anything, literally like just lay down and look up at the sky. It's so pretty, and I feel like there's a lot of things that you can de-stress with, but even just doing that, like it's just nature. I don't know, like just lay down and, you know, whatever, like the grounding and stuff, you know. I like to be like barefoot all the time, so even if you just take off your socks or something and like walk on the grass, like that's just gonna, I don't know, it makes you feel better in the soul and in the heart. I think it does. So if anybody wants to come with me from Forest Grove, Hillsborough, Cornelius, wherever, let me know. And yeah, I was gonna invite my friends, but I don't know if they like yoga, do yoga, have a yoga mat, and all of that. And so when I came, I saw that everybody had a blanket under their yoga mat, and then I have one in my car, like just because I always keep one in my car, and it's the little, it's the Mexican ones, you know. And everybody had one of those. So I was like, I'm prepared. But I didn't know that people put blankets under their yoga mat. Anyways, so I just like, I pretended that I forgot it. And I came to get it from my car. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments or whatever if you guys want to see a specific video of anything, or if you just like the ones that I'm making. There will be another video coming up of the safari trip that we went to. And yeah, I thank you. Bye.